Students, I'm your Kusum ma'am. Let's start with expected questions for your board exams. So I have taken different questions from different chapters. Let's start with chapter number 4, quadratic equation. So the first question, -3 is the root of quadratic equation. 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0, while equation x square minus 4px plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. So these two equations are having equal roots. We need to find k. So let's start with the solution. So here I started with the first equation, 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. As minus 3 is given the root, so x is minus 3, will replace x with minus 3. 2 in place of x, write down minus 3 square plus p into minus 3 minus 15. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Now 3 multiplied by p is minus 3p minus 15. Now 18 minus 15 is minus 3. So that 3, I shifted this side, so it's minus 3. Minus 3p is minus 3. Both the minus got cancelled. Thus p is 1. We got the value of p. Now as it is given, they are having equal roots. So we compare the same value in the second equation. Now putting the value of p in equation 2, that is x square minus 4px plus k is equal to 0. Replace x with minus 3 and p with 1, which we got in first equation. Now replacing x with minus 3, p with 1. So thus it is minus 3 square is 9, minus minus plus, 4 3s are 12 plus k. Now 9 plus 12, 21. So as we are shifting 21 towards right, so thus k is minus 21. Let's start with second question, which is 9x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is linear equation in two variable, chapter number 3. And second equation is 101 plus 99y is equal to 501. So here, if you see x and y, they are diagonally equal. To how to solve this kind of equations? So generally we multiply the coefficient to make the equation equal. But for this type of questions where the coefficients are diagonally equal, we first simply add the equation. So here I added 99 and 101, which is 200x. Again 101 plus 99y is 200y. 499 plus 501. Simply add both the equation 1 and 2. So here we got 1000. 200 can be taken common. So take 200 common. If we take 200 common, so it will be x plus y is equal to 1000. Now x plus y is equal to 1000 divided by 200. Thus x plus y is 5. Sometimes for this type of question, they can simply ask find the value of x plus y, which is for 1 mark. So we'll end up question over here. Or they can ask what is x minus y. That is by subtraction we will get. Now let's start with the same equations by subtracting. So if we subtract both the equations, as here bigger number is 101. So we get minus sign. 101 minus 99 is minus 2. And the same way 101 minus 99 is plus 2, as here the bigger number is plus. 499 minus 501 is minus 2, as bigger number is minus. Now we can take minus common. So if we take minus 2 common, we left out with x minus y. So as I am taking minus 2 common, we will change both the numbers sign. So here minus x will become plus x and plus y will become minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we can get the value of x minus y as minus 2 upon minus 2, which is 1. So here we got x minus y as 1. So this can be again 1 mark question. So we'll leave here for 1 mark. Now we got two equations which we label as 3 and 4. Now solving equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 we got as x plus y is 5 and equation 4 as x minus y is 1. Now simply we solve both the linear equations. Y in opposite sign, so it will get cancelled. X plus x is 2x. 2x is 6. Thus x is 6 upon 2, which is 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 3, we can put the value of x in any equation. So here I am putting it in 3. X plus y is 5. Now replace x with 3. 3 plus y is 5. So y is 5 minus 3, 2. Thus we got the value x as 3 and y as 2. Now let's start our third question, which I have taken from circles. So here it is a concentric circle which is circumscribed in a quadrilateral. So it is in circle as it is inside. Okay. Circle is circumscribed by a quadrilateral. quadrilateral is given PQRS. This type of question they ask in 1 mark or in MCQs. So here for this type of questions, if we add opposite sides, their sum is equal. That is PQ plus SR. As their opposite sides, we will add PQ plus SR, which will make equal to SPS and QR. So here the value of PQ is given 10. So replace it with 10. This is given 6. So replace with 6. Whereas PS is given 9 and they are asking what is QR. So here QR we need to find. Now 10 plus 6 is 16. Whereas PS is given 9 plus QR. To find the value of QR, we will subtract 9 from 16. So thus QR is 16 minus 9, 7. Now let's start with fourth question. The same question I have taken with different label. So how we got that sum of opposite sides is equal? So this is also one of the important question. Here it is given ABCD is a circumscribing, ABCD is a quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle with center O. And we need to prove AD plus BC is equal to CD plus AB. So let's start out with solution, proof. So here I'm starting from this corner. You can start out from any corner. So how to remember it? Suppose I'm starting from here. I'll make CS is equal to CP. So here I took CS is equal to CP. How we got this? That is equal, tangents are equidistant from external point. So here tangents are equal. So this property we need to write from any external point. Now to complete out this, wherever we are ending. So here I ended with CP. So to make the continuous line, take out the next part. So as we ended with CP, we'll take BP just below CP. So take BP below CP. If we are considering BP, we need to take the another line as BQ. So BP equal to BQ. Again they are tangents. So here I am taken BP. So this side BQ. Now the continuation of BQ is AQ. So thus we will take AQ this side. If suppose we are taking AQ one of the side, so other side will be AR. So another side it is AR. Now to continue AR, we need DR. So here just below AR, the continuation part DR I have taken. So DR is equal to DS. Now another side take DS. So thus we got all the 4 sides. Now add all the 4 equations. For everything we need to write the same statement like tangents are equal from external point. Now when we add all the 4 equations, so take out all the left hand side towards left and all the right hand side values towards right. Now if we combine CS and DS, so you can see here CS plus DS, it is making CD. So in that way I coupled whatever the sides will make, complete one side. So here I coupled CS with DS and the same way BQ with AQ. Here again CP with BP and AR with DR. So when we couple them together, they are making the complete side. So CS plus DS is CD, BQ plus AQ is AB. In the same way CP plus BP is BC, AR plus DR is AD. So thus we got the proof. Now the same question they can ask in another way. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing the circle is rhombus. The same continuation question. Okay, this is a simple way to remember the questions. The same question they can make. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing the circle is a rhombus. So here we ended with this proof. The same thing we need to repeat the whole question, and we'll start out with the repeated part, that is CD plus AB, where we ended our first question, the previous one. We start from there for this to prove it rhombus. Now CD plus AB is equal to BC plus AD. As we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So here as the labels were A, B, C, D, so AD and BC opposite sides will be equal. In the same way CD and AB will be equal. So here I replaced AB with CD as the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. In the same way here AD I replaced with BC. AD I replaced with BC. And we will write the statement like opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now here 2 times CD is there. So replace it with 2CD. 2 times BC is there. So replace with 2BC. Now 2 is common there. So cancel out 2 from both the sides. Thus it is CD is equal to BC. But CD and BC both are adjacent sides. So when adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, we call it as rhombus. So here it is given, but they are adjacent sides. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. So this we need to prove ABCD is rhombus. Now let's start with sixth question. This is also circle. This is also one of the important question where we need to find out the value of unknown side. So here it's given radius of the circle is 4 and the circle is inside the triangle. So it is triangle is circumscribing a circle. Here the value of all the sides are given. Let will consider this to be A. So A is given 14. Now half of the value was not given. So to this remaining parts I considered it X. So this side is B. So let it be X plus 8. And third side AB, which is X plus 6. So we got all the three values. BC is 14. AC is X plus 8. And AB is X plus 6. To find out perimeter of the triangle. So as we need to find area, all of you already know in 9th standard we came across Heron's method to find out area of the triangle, where the triangle is a scalar triangle. Here the sides are not equal. So we are finding the area by Heron's method. So for that we need to find perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all the three sides. Here you can see that every value is twice. So I took 2 common. Thus it is 6 plus 8 plus x. As everything is twice, I took 2 common and added all the numbers. Now 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus x, 2 will get cancelled. To find semi-perimeter as we are finding, so I divided it by 2. Okay, perimeter by 2. So perimeter is 2, then within bracket all the values. As we are finding semi-perimeter, so I divided the value by 2. 2 got cancelled. Now let's start out with the areas formula by Heron's method, which is under root S minus A in bracket, S minus B in another bracket, and S minus C. Now S we got semi-perimeter as 14 plus x, whereas one of the side A is 14 plus x and the side is 14. So subtracted 14. Now again S is 14 plus x, whereas the next side was x and 8. So I subtracted minus x minus 8. Now the third side is x minus 6, that is x plus 6. So as minus sign is there, so both the values got minus. Now cancel out the like terms. So here x got cancelled, here 14 got cancelled, x got cancelled. So now we left out with the value x plus 14, here 1x, here 14 minus 6 is 8 and 14 minus 8 is 6. So we left out with the value. Now 8 6 are 48. So it's 48x, 14 plus x. We can split out 48 as 16 3s are. Now 16 can be removed out of the root in the form of 4, as the square root of 16 is 4. So now here the value is 4 under root 3x within bracket 14 plus x. So this we got area as 4 under root 3x 14 plus x square centimeter. Now the same area we will find by using areas formula, like simple area of triangle. So again I drew the diagram. So here if you see the whole triangle, that is getting divided into 3 different triangles where height is common, that is radius. 4 radius is common for all. So we can consider triangle ABC in the form of complete triangle in the form of BOC, then AOB plus AOC. Adding all the 3 triangles to make the complete triangle. Area of the triangle formula is half base into height. So as base is different but height is common, so that I considered H. For the first base B1, B2 and B3, whereas height I took as H. So half H is taken common within bracket B1 plus B2 plus B3. So here half, height is 4, which is radius, and we got all the 3 sides. Already we did x plus 8, x plus 6 and 14. Now here 2 times x, and then 14 is also 2 times, 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14. So I took 2 common from overall. Cancel out 2 and 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2, and this common 2 from all the values. And then we left out with x plus 14. 2 2s are 4. 4 within bracket x plus 14 square centimeter. So this we got area by adding all the 3 triangles. As equation 1 and 2 both are representing area of the triangle ABC. So now we compare both the equations 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, by comparing, first equation we got 4 under root 3x 14 plus x, and the second equation area we got 4 within bracket x plus 14. Now 4 will get cancelled from both the sides. As root is there, to remove it, square both the sides. Now by squaring both sides, this root will get removed. So we left out with 3x, 14 plus x, whereas this is in the form of square. Now cancel out 14 plus x from both the sides. So as here it is twice, I cancelled 1. So I left out with x plus 14. And here 3x. Now shift this x towards left. 3x minus x is equal to 14. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 14. Thus x is 7. We got the value of x. So we can find out what is b. b was x plus 8. So it is 7 plus 8, 15. c is x plus 6. So it is 7 plus 6, 13. We got the value of b and c. So these are important questions. In this way, I'm going to give everyday 5 important questions for you. So you can have a quick preparation. Please go through with the video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it, and enjoy more videos and prepare your exams well. All the best.